Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I'd request you, please click on the subscribe button immediately. For today's recipe, I'm going to take a pan and heat it up. Once the pan is hot enough, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. After adding the oil, I'm going to wait for the oil to become nice and hot. Once the oil is hot, I'm now going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Along with the cumin seeds, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, and a few pinches of asafoetida powder. I'm now going to mix this well. I'm going to be cooking this on low flame for about 15 seconds so the spices do not get burnt. After 15 seconds, I'm then going to add 2 green chilies and 3 medium-sized potatoes. After adding the potatoes, I'm then going to mix this purely well with cumin seeds and the rest of the spices. Here I've added boiled potatoes so that it gets cooked really fast and it has a great taste to it as well. I'm then going to add some salt as per taste here. You can then mix this once and let it fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. After mixing it well, you would have noticed here the potatoes have a grey color to it. After 4 minutes, you can then add some lime juice and also a few coriander leaves, which is optional, to garnish it. You can now switch off the flame and your dish is ready to be served. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.